Ready to level up your game, but your Xbox is saying nope, can't use that card. Let's fix that. First up, let's make sure the obvious isn't the issue. Head over to your Xbox settings, go to Payment and Billing, and then select Manage Payment Options. Here, carefully double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. One tiny typo can cause a world of trouble. Is the name and billing address the same as your card? If there is a small difference, the card may not work, so ensure the information is correct. Next, check your bank account online. Make sure there are sufficient funds available. Sometimes a simple lack of funds is the culprit. Give your bank a quick call to ensure your card isn't blocked or flagged for online transactions. They can also confirm if there have been any recent holds or blocks on your card. If all else fails, head over to the official Xbox support website. They have a wealth of information and troubleshooting steps specific to card issues. Search for billing issues or payment options. And that's it. Following these steps should get your card working again so you can get back to gaming. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more Xbox tips.